the load that we carry of our past is so terrible that we are unable to stay in the present. That is the reason why youngsters do not like to be in the company of the old people. When anything is happening, the oldie immediately opens his old folder. जब हम जवान थे, when we were, in Jamnagar, what a place to be, Jamnagar. There is only jam everywhere. See? So all the time living in the past. When we start living in the past, we dishonor the present. Dishonoring the present is imprisonment in our past. See, friends, then nothing. You come in the present and you stop talking. Friends, real mauna, real silence is when you stop talking to yourself. Our silence is we don't talk to others. Then we keep a paper and a pen. Chai banao na. The real mauna is when you stop talking to yourself. Friends, we talk to ourselves only when we are somebody. See, friends, observe this phenomena in your own life. Then slowly we come to a point when we start remaining aware that let me remain as nobody all the time. To remain nobody all the time, one of the simplest spiritual practices, never talk about your past and never ask anybody about their past. See? We are all the time talking about our past. And the most funny part, nobody is interested in our past. Everybody is concerned about their own future. But we oldies have nothing but the past. Old people have no future. And young people have no past. When these two diagonally opposite characters come together, there cannot be a meaningful dialogue. See, friends. Therefore, the first I which becomes miserable is this relational I, and the second I which becomes miserable is the ego, what we call. And what is the ego? Ego is summation of our total past experiences which we have stored in our hard disk as memories. See, friends, delete your all memories. There is no need. Remain in the present. How to do that? It's very simple. Learn from every experience. Wisdom does not have an impression. But the experience, good or bad, it has an impression on the mind. So when we live our life in this world in such a manner that our mind stops reacting to the world consciously, see? Then you will stop reacting, and then life is a fun.